Selling a hoarder home isn't just about cleaning up. It also comes with serious legal responsibilities. If you're the homeowner, executor of an estate, or helping a loved one sell a hoarded property, there are specific rules you need to follow to avoid liability and protect everyone involved. In Virginia, and in many other states, you are legally required to disclose known defects in a property. That means that if the home has water damage, mold, pest infestations, electrical hazards, or anything that impacts health or safety and you know about it, it has to be disclosed in writing to potential buyers. A common misconception is that if you're selling a home as is, those disclosures aren't necessary, but that's not true. As is simply means the seller isn't agreeing to make repairs. It does not remove your obligation to be transparent. In fact, the more distressed the property, the more important it is to communicate clearly. Hiding issues, whether intentional or not, can lead to lawsuits after closing, especially if the buyer suffers harm due to undisclosed dangers. Another legal concern with hoarder homes is insurance. Many insurers won't issue policies on properties with severe damage or environmental hazards until they've been cleaned or repaired. That, of course, can create roadblocks during escrow or financing, especially if the buyer's lender requires proof of insurability. If you're managing an estate sale, you'll also need to verify your legal authority to sell and disclose. That might involve probate court, legal documentation, and working closely with a real estate team who understands how to navigate these added layers. At Align Real Estate Solutions, we help homeowners and families work through these types of challenges, and we can advise you on what needs to be disclosed, connect you with the right attorneys or inspectors if needed, and of course offer purchase options that reduce legal exposure, like cash offers from investors who are already familiar with properties in this condition. The bottom line is this: don't guess your way through a hoarder home sale. Understand your legal responsibilities, work with professionals, and protect your peace of mind. If you need help navigating this, give us a call. We're here to make the process respectful, honest, and clear.